Jika hujan, maka jalan basah.
Ya, terus hujan gitu.
Terus hujan.
Kesimpulannya apa yang mesti diambil?
Kesimpulannya adalah jangan jalan ketika hujan. Welcome back Wibus to What Is Up Indonesia Podcast. Dan
Kenapa wibus tiba-tiba?
Wibus karena kan What Is Up Indonesia.
So it's we, the double W-I-U, and then boost, B-double-O. Wibu.
Di panggilan penonton.
Bukan,
okay.
not wibu like
Bukan
W-I-B-U.
wibu. Oh, okay.
Tapi
No, because you guys are all talking about anime terus kan?
Tapi
Not
penonton
really
Wibus
sih.
banyak overlap dengan Will Wibus juga.
Yeah, it's true.
Terutama fans-fans JJK ini banyak ya. Gara-gara dia.
Have you watched?
No, I haven't. Okay, anyway, guys. Welcome back to What Is Up Indonesia Podcast. Guys, I'm sorry I was AWOL last week with Tom Lembong.
Yeah, because he thinks it's not important to
So-
record a podcast with Tom Lembong.
So our current guest is more important than Tom Lembong. Because I came back for this guest, not for Pat Tom Lembong. Nah, please give a big round of applause to Jerome Bolle.
Hey. So the format is like we have to hold this
Yes.
Yes. For 2 hours.
for 2 hours.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we don't like mic stands.
And also, muscle training is important.
Yeah, muscle training kan biar your wrist
For
keep on
high
work.
rocks.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
for
yeah.
high rocks. Let's go. So anyway, Jerome, how are you? How are you doing? Good.
I'm doing good. I'm
Doing
fine.
good. You're doing good.
By the way,
Yeah.
like you know, the thing I wanna say the first time sebelum podcast ini, kayak my brain
Yeah.
itu bingung kalau misalnya ngomong speaking with people who can speak Indonesian,
Okay.
like, and I know that they are Indonesian,
Yeah.
I get it. Yeah.
kayak otak aku kayak
Pengen nge-switch ke Indo.
ya pengen switch ke Indo gitu,
Right.
tapi
Because
when
you're
I
seeing Indonesian faces.
iya, tapi
Yeah,
kalau aku ke US atau ke Jepang gitu, ya kayak bisa nyesuaiin gitu loh. Oh, this bule cannot speak Indonesian,
Okay.
so I have to speak full in English gitu.
But does it happen also when you meet Japanese people? When
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
when
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damn. Wait, how fluent are you in? Are you more fluent in
Right.
English or Japanese? I'm actually curious. Would you say you're more fluent in English or Japanese?
Both same.
Oh wow.
Same level.
Same level, I think. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
try saying something in Japanese to Andovi.
Yes.
And he'll try to guess what it is.
Yes. Let me guess, because I know my Japanese from anime and manga, right? Say something in Japanese. I would try to
Say
translate.
something that is usually said in anime.
Yeah, say something that usually said in anime.
So Andovi can guess.
So I can guess.
Okay.
So I can guess.
Kyo genki desu ka?
Kyo genki desu. Genki desu ka? Are you okay? How is it going? No?
Yeah. How are you?
How are you? Okay, but that was like easy. That was like
That's easy. Okay. Next, middle. Kind of easy.
Okay.
Middle level.
Kyo tabemashita ka?
Yeah.
Yes.
I lost. Okay. Okay, but it's okay. Jerome, it's
No,
fine.
but
Yeah.
like give him your best guess. What do you think?
Say it again.
Kyo wa tabemashita ka?
Oh, I know that.
Tabe-
I know.
Tabe
Is
mashitaka.
it? Have you eaten yet?
Yeah.
There you go. But when you say it really fast,
Fast,
I
yeah,
can't. But I know tabe is eat. Tabe
Yeah,
tai,
yeah.
like I want to eat something.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can
yeah.
guess.
But I think Japanese is one of the hardest language in the world, I think.
I mean,
Personally.
Why?
Because like there are a lot of form. Kalau misalnya kayak ate, eaten kan. Kalau
That's
misalnya
true,
itu
yeah,
kan
yeah.
bahasa Inggris. Tapi kalau misalnya di Japanese terus juga ada level of apa ya? How to say it? Kayak politeness gitu.
Oh, politeness,
level of
yeah,
politeness.
yeah, yeah.
Honorifics.
Iya, honorifics-nya
Yeah,
gitu.
yeah.
Kayak,
Oh.
terus every tense
Yeah.
itu beda.
Yeah, it's like you modify the word, right?
Yeah.
Depending on like, so for example, like, I know like food is tabemono, and then if
Yeah,
you
tabemono.
say I wanna eat it, you modify to tabetai, and then if
Yeah,
you say
so
I
the
need
base
to
word
eat
is
it, right?
taberu.
Yeah, taberu. Yeah,
It's the like we call it jishoke. Jisho is like dictionary. So if you open up the dictionary, you will see taberu. There.
Okay, wakarimashita. Wakarimashita.
There.
That's all I know.
There. Taberu kok jadi bahasa Jepang? Nah, maksudnya taberu itu misalnya udah makan, tabeta. Tabeta itu versi kayak casualnya. Kalau tabe mashita ada mase atau mashita
for
itu
lebih
like
formal.
lebih formal.
So in a way, it's closer to Indonesian than English ya, because
Like, 'cause
Indonesian
in Japanese language, especially in
juga
Japanese,
ada
there's a
bahasa formal.
Iya,
apa
formal.
gitu
Tapi
ya.
kalau bahasa Indonesia itu kayak menurut aku gampang banget karena makan deh, makan.
Benar-benar,
Makan,
that's true.
makan, udah makan, belum makan.
No, it's true. Actually, in Indonesian, you can just say one word and it can mean a whole sentence. Like makan,
Oh iya.
right?
Oh iya, iya, iya.
Or like you. Okay. and then
Iya,
let's
iya,
go.
iya, iya, iya.
Right. Damn. That's,
Or like hujan. You just repeat the word.
oh, you're right. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's true.
You're right. And you're right. We have no past tense, present tense.
We don't.
Iya,
You say
iya,
yesterday, saya makan kemarin, saya makan besok. But
Bener.
it's still makan.
Iya, iya,
yeah,
iya, iya.
it's true.
Belum makan.
Right. Haven't eaten.
Haven't eaten. Kalau misalnya bahasa Jepang, tabere, tabeta, tabete inai.
Wow.
Tabete inakata itu kemarin.
Oh.
Jadi kayak beda, semua beda.
Okay, for those of you who don't know why we're talking with for those of you who live under a rock,
Right.
who don't know why we're asking Jerome about Japanese.
Oh.
So Jerome went to university in Japan, and
Yep.
Waseda University, right? Correct me if I'm
Waseda
wrong.
University.
So you're perfect. It's perfect because I'm sure there's a lot of weeboos here who go to school in Japan. I mean, I don't know
That's
the.
true.
I mean, I don't know the numbers. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
What's your experience like as a student that lived in Japan? Why did you choose Japan? I mean, I'm sure with your grades you could have chosen many countries.
Okay.
So please tell us about that.
Well, as simple as because I received the scholarship.
Okay.
Yeah, because
right.
I was born in a normal, like it's a normal, like
Middle class.
no, middle low
Middle low. Okay.
or maybe low.
Okay.
Yeah, like we couldn't afford liburan ke luar negeri aja nggak bisa. Ya, at that level of economy gitu.
Right.
Terus ya, I was desperately looking for scholarships. At first, I was planning to go to Singapore
Okay.
because that time the only university yang sediain full scholarship is Singapore doang yang aku tahu infonya.
Right.
Terus and then I study for that. Tapi I just received like partial scholarship.
Okay.
Mm.
And then 2 weeks after I withdraw my application from Singapore, I received this like broadcast WhatsApp
Okay.
about the scholarship. Yes.
Oh.
You know, like usually broadcast WhatsApp di group family kan.
Right.
You know
It's-
kayak
it's stupid stuff.
you know kan hoax ya.
Misinformation.
Politics.
Ya kayak gitu-gitu kan. And then like at first I thought it was hoax karena
Because it's from a WhatsApp broadcast.
iya broadcast and then kayak aku gak pernah lihat ini sebelumnya when I was searching about this scholarship gitu.
Right.
Ternyata that time it's the first time they open publicly. Jadi sebelumnya itu they just choose some schools, they send the letter,
Yeah.
and then the schools kirim peserta gitu.
Right.
Gitu sih.
That's interesting. That's
And then
interesting.
I searched about the scholarship. It's only like 2 people per year
Oh wow.
from Indonesia. Yeah.
Oh,
And then
wow.
and my time like ada 20,000 orang yang daftar, 20,000
Holy shit.
people. Yeah.
So when you accepted that, can you already speak Japanese or did you
No,
learn?
no.
Okay.
No.
So you learned Japanese while studying there.
Yeah, that's true. From zero.
But what?
From zero-
But in Waseda, did they teach in English or in Japanese?
In Japanese.
Wait. So
Wow.
how
No,
was it? So how was
first I learned Japanese like for 1.5 years before I'm going to the
In
university.
preparation.
Ya,
Preparation.
jadi kayak
Yeah.
ke sekolah bahasa Jepang dulu
in Indonesia or in Japan?
in Japan.
Oh,
Jadi
okay.
from zero.
Okay.
And then while learning Japanese, I have to learn like the math, the chemistry, the physics because I have to take the how to say like SAT.
Right.
Yeah,
The
atau
Japanese
kayak-
SAT.
Atau ya Japanese
Yeah,
SAT.
Yeah.
Karena aku belum pasti dapat kampus.
Okay.
So the scholarship is from like perusahaan
Right.
namanya Mitsui Bussan gitu.
Dude, that's crazy though. You need to
That's crazy.
you need to learn Japanese, and you're taking math right there.
Yeah.
So you need to learn math,
Math
in Japanese,
Yeah,
also.
which I assume it's different. Way
No, but
different.
you know like math is
It's math.
because math is a universal language. It's easier.
That's true.
Yeah. It's
that's
easier. Like
true.
if I have to take like let's say PKN atau like sejarah in Japanese itu lebih hell menurut aku.
Right.
But you know
Yeah.
how like in schools, I usually hear people complain about like, you know what, like math is fine, but the moment ada soal yang cerita, lu tau gak sih? Yang
Soal cerita.
Right,
Oh yeah.
right.
And then it got confusing to them.
Yeah.
Were there something like that when you were like studying? Because it's always in Japanese, like obviously.
Nggak
right?
terlalu sih. Nggak
Okay.
terlalu. Tapi
It's-
like the most challenging part itu adalah kayak I have to take the SAT kan, semacam
Yes.
SAT itu.
Yeah.
Terus based on that score, aku baru bisa apply ke good university. And it's like
Okay, yeah.
it's 8 months after I went to Japan. Jadi pergi ke Jepang zero skill.
So-
Terus in 8 months I have to take the test.
And you didn't know at that time which university you would go.
Belum.
Oh,
Jadi
wow,
aku
okay.
first the SAT first gitu.
Okay.
Terus like I have to learn Japanese and then I have to learn like chemistry, physics
yeah.
and math in Japanese.
That's
So, like,
crazy. That's
crazy.
fucking
Like
That's crazy.
kalau Inggris, if you guys remember chemistry lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The name of the element is
Yeah.
the same kan?
Right, right.
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Gitu
Yeah,
kan?
yeah, yeah,
Uranium.
there's-
Magnesium
Yeah,
gitu
yeah,
kan.
yeah.
But in
It's
Japan
different.
totally different.
Holy shit.
Like oxygen itu sanso.
Oh my
it's like
And then,
god.
and then you have to see the kanji, you know?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
kanji.
Yeah,
and-
that's true.
Yeah. And then the worst part is like I have to compete with Chinese because the apa ya? The kanji
It's similar,
is
right?
similar with kanji.
Yeah, so they have to like up
So they have a leg up.
there.
Yeah.
Like the starting game is already
Yeah, yeah,
different. Kayak they don't have to be able to read, but
Right.
they can understand.
Wow.
Damn.
No.
Itu gila.
No, but Jerem, this is why I find you very interesting because just a bit of context. I mean, I'm older than you, but in my generation, people rarely went if they want to go to university. They always went west. Europe,
true.
America, or Australia,
Yeah.
English, Singapore, Malaysia, because
English
it's English.
speaking, yeah.
You open the door, I think, to the Eastern, right? Whether it's Japanese, Chinese, or whatever. But like, I was never exposed to the Eastern diaspora. Does that make sense? Because it was so natural to go to the US,
Yeah.
Europe,
It's very
England.
common.
Very common. And I think you open a whole new wave of people, of kids who are
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
let's go to the East.
And I mean, it makes
Right.
sense, though, because like what he says, the barrier is way higher.
It's crazy. You have to learn Japanese. Like, it's
Yeah, if
insane.
you
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I know a couple of my friends actually went to Japan, but they usually go to English speaking universities.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So rarely do I find an Indonesian going to Japan in a Japanese
That's
speaking
crazy.
school taking like STEM.
Yeah,
You
taking
know,
STEM.
like-
Yeah.
I think it's because also the scholarship program mewajibkan itu gitu. Like
Yeah.
it's a must to take in Japanese. But like, what I'm grateful is because like if I went to Singapore that time, I can only speak English, right?
That's
Right.
But now I can speak three
Three
languages,
languages. That's
Yeah.
crazy. Yeah.
in a fluent way.
So, but for math, right? Have you always wanted to take math? Or was that like a decision you made when you were learning in Japan? Or how did you end up choosing math basically?
Okay, so basically I love math since elementary.
Okay.
Yeah. But like di kelas 3 SMA, aku lumayan bingung sih karena because like my score
Uh-huh.
di every STEM kayak biology itu juga bagus gitu.
Okay.
And then my parents say kayak coba kedokteran gitu.
Right.
Coba jadi dokter
Yeah, that
gimana
makes sense,
gitu
that makes
kan.
sense. Yeah.
Tapi kayak aku mikir I love solving math problems more than I love like memorizing things.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, jadi I choose math.
What is it about math that you love? I rarely hear people say this also.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't dislike math.
Yeah.
me
But
too.
I don't love it.
Yeah.
But I don't dislike it. If math was in
yeah.
school, I was okay in math.
Yeah.
But it wasn't like, you know.
You know like this quote like that said happiness comes from solving problems.
Oh, okay.
Iya kan? Kalau
So this country is not happy then.
Huh?
This country is not happy then. 'Cause
Happy-
no problem is solved.
happy gak? Happy gak sekarang?
Happy!
Happy gak?
Happy because Argentina is gonna win the World Cup final.
Oh, what date is it now?
Okay,
that
so
we're
today
recording?
is, as you can see from my Samsung S25 phone, the date is 16th of July. So
Okay.
we're recording this Thursday morning, right after Argentina won
Right.
against England.
Yep.
So we're gonna make a prediction. This episode is gonna come out after the final.
Yeah.
Okay, so prediction first.
Prediction first.
Prediction first.
Argentina 2-1
Oh wow.
versus Spain.
Argentina 3-2 against Spain.
Who is Argentina going against?
Spain.
Okay, then I'll go with Spain. I'll go with Spain.
Clueless.
Spain 2-1.
Spain 2-1. Okay.
Spain,
Okay.
yeah. But whoever wins, like nggak masalah sih. Because
Okay.
like both because I'm a Barcelona fans.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak
So everyone's
yeah,
in Barcelona.
Everyone's Barcelona.
Everyone's in Barcelona and both teams.
Spain itu sekarang ada 8 orang Barcelona.
I see.
And then Messi was like the legend of Barcelona. Jadi kayak
And Messi is in
Inter Miami. He's
Inter
in
Miami.
Argentina. But he's okay. Anyway, but like you're right, Barca fans rejoice.
Barca fans semua pada seneng.
Okay.
Kayak the final like the dream final itu ya Spain lawan Argentina. Yeah.
So this is the dream final.
Dream final ya
For Barcelona fans.
For Barcelona
But
fans.
for Cristiano Ronaldo fans, this is the worst final. Okay. This is not the three fellas. This is not three fellas. Let's go back to what is up Indonesia.
Wait, so I'm curious though. Can you use math to predict like the World Cup?
Ya
Maybe like with
statistically bisa.
probability.
Statistically ya. Tapi kan bola itu bundar. Iya kan?
Yes, circle. Yeah.
Tapi bola itu bundar tuh ada bahasa Inggrisnya gak ya? The ball
is round. I
is
suppose.
around.
Yeah, the ball is round. So there's a saying in football in Indonesian. I think the bola itu bundar. So even if you're the underdog, like Cape Verde
Iya,
was,
Cape Verde.
Cape Verde was, you can still play amazing game and still win. Game.
Kayak no one can predict the result gitu loh. Karena bola itu bundar. Jadi kayak
It can go either way.
it can go either way. Kayak bisa ke sana bisa ke sini. Kayak gak ada yang bisa nebak.
I mean,
Is that an Indonesian saying?
no. I think it's a global saying.
It's a-
It's a global
Oh,
saying. Tapi
okay, so-
Indonesians made it like bola itu
Iya.
bundar.
Bola itu bundar.
Terus yung versi Englishnya apa?
The ball is round.
I've never
The
heard
ball
that.
is
And if
Yeah.
you want to find the area of the ball is pi r squared.
no. It's not.
Shit, fuck!
It's 4 pi r squared.
I was
No
trying to be
way.
good.
Nah, if circle, yeah, pi r squared.
circle.
But it's a
That's
ball.
round.
Ball, yeah.
no
And the
way.
circumference of a circle is 2 pi r.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still remember my math. Okay, anyway, back to this.
So why do you love math, right?
yeah. Like, I think because, solving problem is the source of happiness. I think.
right.
Ya, jadi kayak every time I'm able to solve a problem, kayak dulu pas sekolah,
Yeah.
ya kayak seneng rasanya.
Oh, you get a shot of dopamine.
Apalagi nggak dibantuin.
Benar.
I think
yeah,
that's
yeah.
banyak orang yang nggak suka matematika.
Right.
Itu karena ujung-ujungnya desperate,
Yeah.
terus mereka nggak coba lagi gitu.
That's
Nggak sampai mereka berhasil nyelesain satu soal sendiri tanpa dibantu, tanpa tanya orang, tanpa ngeliat kunci jawaban.
That's
gitu.
true. That's true.
Because I used to hate math.
Okay.
Karena perasaan stuck itu nggak enak banget kan.
Right.
And then my mom said kayak, coba kamu anggap ini sebagai kayak challenge gitu loh, atau sebagai sebuah game. Kalau kita lagi main game, kan, quiz atau challenge gitu kan, kita pasti akan coba terus sampai bener dong.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
You-
Ya kan,
yeah,
kalau
yeah.
misalnya kita lagi main Pokemon dulu, aku main game
Yeah,
Pokemon
yeah.
gitu kan.
Right.
Kalau lagi stuck, kita akan cari, coba ini, coba itu, coba ini, coba ngomong sama ini, coba kesini. Biasanya kita akan cari banyak cara
Yeah.
in order to solve this kan.
Yes.
Nah, harusnya itu diterapin juga di math.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
Gitu.
No, I can relate to that. Can I share you like a very weird story of me and math? So like back in high school, I mean I'm fine with math. Like I won't say I'm good. I won't say I'm bad. I'm just like average lah. And then I was facing this really big test and I need to like improve my math. So I was like practicing every day. And ada satu question, there's one question emang I couldn't solve it. I remember it's an integral calculus.
Okay.
I couldn't solve it. And then I worked on that until nighttime. And then I went to sleep. And then I dream of the answer.
Wow.
Right.
You dreamt
No,
of the
I-
answer. Wow.
I dreamt and the answer came to me in a dream.
Wow.
And then I woke up with the number, like saying the number, the answer. And then I tried it and it's right.
Oh wow. I think
It's okay.
that was the math gods.
And the rush of dopamine that I got from
Yeah.
that, itu gue kayak I felt that for an entire week.
Wow. Right.
But it didn't make me fall in love sih. But like I understand what you mean.
Iya. Tapi I think kayak it's rewarding gitu.
Yeah.
Solving
Yeah,
my problem.
absolutely.
Kalau misalnya you got something easily tanpa ada challenge, itu
Benar.
kayak let's say kita naik gunung deh. I think
I get what
you
you
can enjoy the view from the top.
If
itu
you go
karena
hard,
karena
go
susah
up.
gitu.
Kalau
Kalau misalnya
langsung
langsung
you take a helicopter.
Iya.
It's different.
Yeah,
kalau
yeah,
kita kayak wow. Oke, bukan wow kan. Abis
yeah.
itu kayak gak ada kayak
Right.
rewardingnya. Gitu.
I
Especially kalau
agree.
people gak punya masalah dalam hidupnya yang diselesaikan, itu kayak flat aja hidupnya.
That's why 1000% agree with you.
That's like life philosophy through math.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I remember, like, again, my math was, like, for example, like, let's talk about differentiation and integration. Like, for example, right? Kita tuh bisa hafal why x squared diferensiasinya kan 2x plus C kan.
Enggak, di 2x doang.
2x doang, right? But I remember my teacher in IB, she taught me like you need to show your work,
Yeah.
right? You get a point. You don't get a point for answering. Why is 5 plus 5? Oh, the answer is 10. No, you
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
show the work.
Yeah, the logic
Yeah, yeah.
behind
The
it,
logic
right?
behind
Yeah,
it.
I
yeah, yeah.
love that about math because even if you get the right answer, in IB they taught you still get half a point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Because you need to show the
Yeah,
work. And
yeah.
I think, I don't know how math was done in Indonesian high schools. I really don't know. But like,
Ya.
do kids, are they incentivized to show your work? I don't know about that in Indonesian high schools.
Enggak terlalu itu.
But nggak terlalu, right?
Enggak terlalu. Jadi kayak banyak yang kayak pakai pilihan ganda. Jadi ada kind of
Right.
faktor keberuntungan,
Keberuntungan,
luck
right.
factors gitu-gitu.
Right.
Well, aku sempat like my first TEDx stage itu aku ngomong tentang math philosophy
Okay.
di hidup gitu.
Oh, interesting.
Ya. Ini tadi because you say like philosophy in life from math. The first thing yang aku ngomong itu adalah the answer is there. You just need to try. Math tuh kayak gitu. Kayak the answer is there gitu. Ya kan kita sekarang lagi di sini nih gitu. And we have all of the resources untuk solve this problem
Right.
untuk situ gitu.
Right.
So solving math itu is like It's like building a bridge supaya bisa sampai ke jawabannya kan. We have all of the resources. Contoh kayak if chef gitu, kita punya bahan-bahannya,
Right.
kita mau bikin soto misalnya gitu kan.
Right.
Ya kita gimana nih caranya supaya bisa bikin soto yang bener.
Right.
Kita harus apa gitu kan, pakai rumus-rumusnya dipakai untuk bisa bikin soto atau kayak ya solving the problems gitu. Jadi in life juga kayak gitu.
I agree.
Kayak in every problems in our life itu pasti ada jalan keluarnya, pasti ada solutionnya.
Right.
You just need to try.
Right.
Kayak cari apa nih yang bener jalannya gitu.
Right. Have you ever gotten criticism in life? Because math people are usually like, oh, you're so rational, so logical. Use your emotions, right? Because I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know because I don't want to talk about your personal dating life. But
Yeah.
has people gone to be like, why are math people so logical? Use your emotions sometimes. Do you get that?
Pernah beberapa.
Okay.
Pernah beberapa
And how
kali.
do you deal with that when people talk about
Or
math people?
before that, do you think it's true?
Yeah, do you think it's true that math people are too logical and too rational?
There's
I don't know. I don't know if there's a word for too
Yeah,
logical.
There's the dichotomy of like emotional and being logical as the
Right.
Mungkin ada yang kayak gitu ya, tapi aku lumayan pakai feeling sih.
Okay,
Tapi-
got it.
Sebelum pakai feeling aku pakai rasional dulu gitu. Kayak
Right.
yang I'm feeling ini bener gak sih sebenarnya gitu.
Right.
Iya.
No, because it's weird because you are in the creative space.
Okay.
Yeah.
And people often don't associate math with creativity, which I think it's wrong. I think
Yeah.
solving problems in math takes a lot of creativity, but
That's true.
a lot of people think that, oh, math is not creative. I would argue so far that, because again, correct me if I'm wrong, Jerome, the higher the math, there's not even numbers anymore.
That's true.
It's
Bener.
just you need to think of a way to
Iya,
solve
iya.
I think it's the epitome of creativity.
Iya. Justru kreatif banget.
Just
Menurut aku.
kreatif banget.
Menurut aku justru kreatif
Kenapa
banget.
tuh?
Karena oke, kalau misalnya soal-soal di sekolah itu memang caranya cuma satu gitu.
Okay.
Tapi kalau soal-soal yang di olimpiade kan dulu aku olimpiade.
Yeah.
Itu kayak you don't know how to solve it. Kayak nggak langsung bisa ini.
Right.
You know all the rumus-rumus,
Right.
tapi nggak bisa langsung dipakai.
Right.
How? Makanya kayak chef gitu loh. Jadi kayak aku bilang kayak
Yeah.
I know this, tapi gimana cara craft this untuk
find
bisa
this.
to find this gitu.
Yeah,
To crack this, it's like
To crack
it's like a
this.
mystery, right?
Yeah, it's like mystery.
Yeah.
Kayak detektif gitu loh.
Yeah.
Dan aku ngerasa math tuh kayak gitu.
Yeah.
Nah tapi banyak orang gak ngerasa math seperti itu. That's why aku semangat banget untuk itu lah kayak karena dulu aku gak suka math dan sekarang aku bisa suka math. Aku pingin orang-orang tuh juga mengalami pengalaman yang aku alami gitu. Kayak, I try to change people's mindset about math gitu.
Tapi that's very interesting. Going back to what Andovi said, do you think math, like being good at math, helps you to be a more logical person in day-to-day life?
Of course.
Kenapa?
Nah sebenarnya yang pertama lebih ke struktur.
Okay.
Gak mungkin tiba-tiba skip gitu.
Right.
Even though kalau kita belajar sejarah, let's say ya,
Right.
kita bisa aja langsung tiba-tiba tahun ini kayak gimana sih gitu. Nggak harus tahu backgroundnya,
Right.
tahu kan. Tapi kalau math, kamu nggak mungkin bisa trigonometry
If you skip a step.
kalau kamu nggak bisa aljabar gitu. Jadi kayak
Right.
benar-benar to structure.
Yep.
Terus kayak to solve problems itu juga structure banget.
Right.
Yes.
Jadi kayak step by step itu logical. Makanya di IB atau di Cambridge itu
Yeah.
biasanya kayak A level gitu. Itu harus tahu stepnya. Kalau
That's
enggak,
true. That is
kalau
true.
enggak,
You don't get the points.
you don't get the points.
Iya,
Jadi kayak,
iya.
nah itu kan bisa dilihat nih.
Iya.
Nih anak cara mikirnya salah nih.
No, that is
dari
yeah.
logicalnya. Nah terus
Yeah.
ada juga Nah, ini something yang aku rasa lumayan crucial tapi dihilangin di Indonesia. Jadi dulu ada mata pelajaran namanya logic math.
Logic math.
Logic
Okay.
math. Kayak pokoknya kalau di bahasa Indonesia logika matematika.
Oh,
Okay.
oke.
And now it's not here anymore.
Mathematical logic ya.
Ya matematika logic ya,
Iya,
atau logic
iya,
math
iya,
yang gitu-gitu. Nah itu sekarang udah gak ada. Sejak kapan ya? Aku gak tahu sejak kapan.
Okay.
Dihilangin dari kurikulum, I don't know why, tapi itu penting banget. Oke, sekarang aku mau tes kalian.
Okay, I
ya.
love it. Let's test.
Let's test ya. Ini logical math.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Jadi sebenarnya itu bukan kayak rumus-rumus
Right.
pakai angka gitu, tapi ini justru yang menurut aku harusnya semua orang Indonesia tuh bisa. Kalau enggak,
Okay,
jadi kayak sekarang.
let's go.
Oke.
Oke.
Let's go. Let's test.
Oke. Pakai bahasa Indonesia aja ya?
Ya.
Ya, oke.
Oke. Premis satunya adalah jika hujan,
Ya.
Okay.
maka jalanan basah.
Ya.
Okay.
Terus yang terjadi adalah hujan.
Ya.
What is the kesimpulan? What is the
Maka jalan basah.
Okay.
jalan basah?
Ya, maka jangan basah. Okay.
Jika hujan, jalan basah.
Ya.
Ya. Terus
Tapi
yang terjadi hujan.
ya. Ya maka jalan basah dong.
Gimana?
Jika hujan, maka jalan basah.
Ya, terus hujan gitu.
Terus hujan.
Kesimpulannya apa yang mesti diambil?
Kesimpulannya adalah jangan jalan ketika hujan.
Oke, kesimpulannya apa dari situ?
Oke, jika jika hujan maka jalan basah.
Ya,
You're making this way more complicated than it
So
should be.
kesimpulannya hujan bisa membuat
bukan.
jalan
Kan
Bukan
jika
ya.
hujan maka jalan basah.
Oke.
Terus
Jalan basah.
Premis keduanya adalah kayak hujan.
Hujan.
Oke.
Itu yang terjadi, fakta hujan gitu.
Oke.
Terus
Maka-
conclusionnya apa yang bisa diambil?
Kalau jalan basah,
Kalau hujan jalan basah.
kalau hujan jalan basah, ya.
Terus yang kejadian adalah hujan.
Oke,
Terus what's the conclusion?
jalan basah,
Jalan basah.
Ya.
Conclusionnya.
Ya.
Benar.
jalan basah.
Itu benar.
Ya.
Jadi itu namanya modus ponens.
Ya.
Oke.
Jadi if
If A then B.
A then B,
Yes,
terus A terjadi,
Ya.
pasti B.
Ya.
Oke.
Pasti.
Pasti.
Oke.
Benar.
Next. Jika hujan maka jalan basah, masih sama.
Ya.
Oke.
Jalan tidak basah.
oke.
What's the conclusion?
Inkonklusif nggak sih?
Belum,
Apa?
Belum
belum
kayak.
tentu hujan.
Gak tahu.
Bisa jadi
Gimana?
hujan, bisa jadi nggak hujan.
Iya
dong.
nggak tahu.
Gimana?
Karena kan
Jalannya nggak basah pokoknya.
jalannya nggak
Iya.
basah.
Iya.
Tapi B belum tentu karena A. Ya kan? Karena kan jalan nggak basah nih.
Kan if-
berarti nggak hujan.
If A then B.
Ya.
Sekarang
But
yang
it
terjadi
doesn't
adalah
mean B dan A kan.
benar.
Ya.
Nah, ini penting nih.
Ya.
Terus
Iya.
terus apa lagi?
It doesn't mean B dan A.
Nah, terus kalau misalnya jalan tidak basah artinya apa? Kesimpulannya
Ya tidak hujan.
Maka B tidak sama dengan A.
apa?
Makanya tidak hujan.
Ya maka tidak hujan.
Either maka tidak hujan atau inkonklusif aja sih.
Atau
in my
inkonklusif.
opinion.
Bisa disimpulkan nggak atau
Iya gak sih?
gimana? Iya, kesimpulannya adalah
Maka
Iya.
tidak hujan.
pasti tidak hujan.
Iya.
Jadi
Oke.
itu modus tollens. Jadi kayak kalau misalnya tidak B,
Oke.
maka pasti tidak A.
Oh, karena ya if A
oke.
dan B.
Iya.
Oke,
If
paham,
not A
paham.
then it
Ini
not
kan jadi
B.
rumus,
Paham,
Iya,
pola
iya,
berpikir
iya,
kan.
iya, iya,
Nah,
iya.
sekarang coba jika hujan,
Ya.
jalan basah.
Oke.
Sekarang jalan basah. Kesimpulannya apa?
Jika hujan, jalan basah.
Terus faktanya sekarang jalan basah.
Ya,
Ya maka hujan.
ya maka hujan.
Nah, itu
Ya, ya.
logical trap.
Jika hujan
Jika hujan jalan basah, terus jalan basah. Belum tentu karena hujan. Nggak bisa diambil kesimpulan.
bedanya dari yang pertama tadi apa?
Yang pertama kan jika hujan, jalan basah. Hujan nih,
Heeh.
jalan basah.
Heeh.
Jika A maka B, A pasti B.
Iya, kalau yang ini
Tapi
tadi
jika A maka B, B.
Oh, iya, 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 iya,
Oh,
iya.
oh, because now it's the B1. Ya,
The
ya.
B.
Dan belum
B1.
tentu, dan
Belum tentu.
Bisa
Bisa
aja
benar.
ada yang nyiram.
Iya,
Ya,
iya.
ya, ya.
Because
Bisa
belum
aja
tentu
ada hal-hal lain.
Belum tentu dibalik kan.
Belum tentu
Iya,
dibalik.
iya, iya, iya,
Ya kayak gitu.
Iya,
Tapi
iya.
banyak orang akhirnya ngambil kesimpulannya salah gitu.
Iya,
iya,
Kayak,
paham, paham.
oh iya pasti hujan ini. Belum tentu.
Ya, ya, ya.
Gitu.
Paham, paham, paham.
Gak
Iya,
bisa
iya, iya.
disimpulkan. Kamu gak bisa kesimpulan dari hasilnya doang gitu.
Ya, 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 ya.
Kayak
ya,
gitu.
ya.
Sama satu lagi, kalau gak hujan gimana?
Kalau nggak hujan,
Ini-
maka jalan tidak basah. Belum tentu.
Belum tentu.
Belum tentu,
Belum tentu.
benar.
Inkonklusif.
Karena inkonklusif.
Inklusif.
juga.
Bisa aja tadi apa?
Iya.
Bisa aja tadi
Ada nyiram.
ada nyiram dan sebagainya.
Iya,
Ini penting
iya.
banget kan?
Ya,
Iya.
ya.
Kalau semua orang, kalau gak semua orang ngerti ini,
Iya, iya,
susah
iya,
untuk
iya.
berdebat atau
Benar,
susah untuk
benar.
kayak, you know,
Iya,
kayak
iya, iya,
ngomongin
iya.
ini gitu.
Iya, iya, iya. That's true.
Ya,
Ya misalnya kayak aku ngomong aku lebih suka A dari B.
Iya.
Ya aku cuma ngomong aku lebih suka A dari B. Tapi
Terus
banyak
orang
orang
bilang,
kesimpulannya lu benci
lu
sama
B,
B,
lu nggak suka B.
lu gak suka
Iya,
B.
iya,
Nggak
iya,
kayak
iya,
gitu
iya,
dong.
exactly.
Makanya problem solving itu kan penting kan. Dan logical itu kan penting. Makanya
Iya.
ketika ada masalah,
Ya.
kalau ada orang atau ya group of people ini nggak bisa mikir secara logik, problem solvingnya salah dan itu krusial banget.
So would you say the solution to Indonesia is everyone need to learn math?
Pasti. Semua orang harus pinter menurut aku.
Setuju.
Tapi,
Aku antar
tapi
sama
itu kalau orang pinter ya susah
tidak
untuk
bisa dikuasai dan dikontrol.
tidak bisa dikontrol,
Why?
susah.
Iya.
That's the problem.
Iya.
Okay, gue curious deh. What is your definition of orang pinter?
Oh,
Oke.
So itu macam-macam loh.
dukun. Orang kan di Indonesia kan orang ngomong
Oh, so
orang pintar. Iya.
That's true.
Orang
No,
pintar.
that is true, that is
dukun.
Well,
true.
sebenarnya
That's
kalau
true.
kalau aku ngerasa pintar itu kayak sangat-sangat spektrumnya luas banget ya.
Iya.
Kayak spektrumnya luas. Tapi menurut aku pribadi, aku jadi nggak bisa definisi pintar. Tapi harus ada certain standard yang orang ini harus pass gitu.
Iya.
Oke.
Contohnya logic ini deh.
Contohnya tadi
Yang
yang
tadi
Contohnya
begini.
logic ini
Iya.
harus semua orang bisa gitu.
Harus orang bisa.
Kalau
Oke,
nggak
kalau
semua orang
enggak-
bisa, susah.
Berarti next sebelum semua orang coblos, semua orang sejawab itu tadi. Sebelum kita coblos di pemilu, jika hujan maka basah. Terus orang kayak lah.
Tapi menurut aku penting loh.
Kalau enggak amplopnya enggak ke unlock.
Iya, kalau nggak amplop untuk nyoblosnya nggak boleh
Itu
dibuka.
ide bagus loh.
Ide
It's a
bagus.
good, it's a good idea gak sih? Maksudnya
Sebelum
kayak
nyoblos.
sebelum
Iya,
apa?
iya,
Lu
iya.
harus ada kayak a certain standard dulu yang kamu harus pass
Iya.
untuk kamu bisa do something yang lebih crucial gitu.
Yeah, it's like the same logic with driver's test ya. Before you get a
driver's
driver's
license.
license.
Bener.
Logikanya bener. Ya.
This is actually a huge debate in the democracy circle
Yeah,
ya. Yang kayak
yeah,
whether
yeah.
should voting rights be granted for everyone
Yeah,
Or just a
should-
few,
Ya
yeah.
itu kan it's like
Ini perdebatan filosofis yang sangat tinggi.
Iya.
Karena berarti kan orang yang tidak pintar kan juga manusia juga bisa
dan mereka
vote.
juga
Bisa
rakyat
vote,
yang
iya.
dan juga bayar pajak
Iya,
kemungkinan
iya.
gitu
Betul,
kan.
betul.
Ya.
Which to be honest, I agree in
Iya.
a sense. Tapi semakin kesini,
Iya.
Do you know
semakin kesini saya tidak.
Do you know that saying? I forgot. Like it's a two-part saying. Tapi the one of the part is like if you wanna. Oh no, it's a two-part saying. Yeah, if you want to see an argument for democracy, talk to everyday people. Tapi if you wanna see argument against democracy, talk to everyday people as well.
Yeah. I'm actually curious. Gini, Jerem, kan you lived in Japan. Japan with all the cultural and context isu yang berbeda ya. Gue
Yeah.
paham ya. Gue paham ini dua hal yang berbeda.
Ya.
Japan, you could say that the floor of logic lebih tinggi daripada Indonesia.
Is it true?
In the general population, would you say so?
Eh,
Di luar dari budaya dan konteks kenegaraan ya,
Ya.
would you say the general public lebih logika lebih tinggi?
Nah kalau ini aku nggak terlalu bisa ngomong karena aku juga nggak yang ngikutin di Indonesia gitu kan. Kayak comment sectionnya juga gak gimana-gimana. Tapi kalau di lingkungan aku ya
Yeah,
logiknya
I mean-
oke-oke banget gitu.
I mean, he went to a top
University,
university. Ya, itu
yeah,
pasti kesaring
bener.
sih.
Iya.
Tapi yang buat IC ya sebenarnya menurut aku di Jepang itu ada standarnya itu loh. Yang aku ngeliat di standar itu yang semua orang punya gitu. Kayak misalnya contohnya the social, kayak semua kurikulum itu sama setara
Iya.
semua. Terus kayak di Jepang kan sistemnya zonasi kan.
Iya,
Nah
iya,
sistem
iya.
zonasi dan mereka itu benar-benar I can see the quality of the education tuh sama semua. Makanya banyak orang Jepang itu kan banyak orang nyebut Jepang itu kayak apa sih? Kayak
Monoculture.
Monoculture.
Oh, iya,
Kayak
iya,
semua orang
iya, iya, iya.
think the same way.
Iya.
Kayak gitu-gitu loh.
Which has its negative also ya.
Iya,
Which
iya.
also has its negative juga. Tapi ya I get what you mean. Saya menarik sih.
So this is very interesting ya. Tadi kan you just demonstrated how math affected the way you think
Yep.
logically, right? And it can be said that math is a language, ya kan? So that means you can technically are fluent in 4 language, ya.
Yeah.
Indonesian, English, Japanese, math.
Iya.
Nah, bisa nggak kayak how does each language affect you? Atau kayak do you find yourself when you're speaking in Indonesian or when you're speaking in English or when you're speaking in Japanese, kayak you have a personality shift also because of like the words that are available atau kayak the way you think?
Okay.
Because language kan it
Iya.
affects how you think about the world, right?
Iya. Iya sih kayak ada switchnya sih tapi
Oke.
aku sendiri gak sadar kayak personality-nya beda atau enggak.
Oke.
Cuma yang aku sadar adalah ketika aku tahu nih orang misalnya bisa bahasa Indonesia,
Iya.
Aha.
terus aku disuruh ngomong pakai bahasa Inggris itu kayak somehow agak aneh.
Right,
Weird.
the one you mentioned
Iya,
earlier.
kayak tadi kan. Jadi kayak
Right.
ujung-ujungnya kayak otaknya bingung gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya waktu aku ke US atau ke Jepang, ketika aku tahu nih orang nggak bisa bahasa Indonesia dan nggak bisa bahasa Inggris kalau di Jepang, ya aku bisa langsung switch langsung pakai bahasa Jepang gitu.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me give you an example. For me, I can speak Indonesian and English.
Yeah.
When I speak Indonesian, gue tuh lebih nyantai orangnya.
Oke.
Soalnya di bahasa Indonesia tuh lebih enak untuk dipakai joking.
Oke.
Kayak misalnya kayak kita joking tuh gampang banget lah in Indo, tapi in English you need to construct a whole thing. I don't know, maybe you know more because you do stand up in English. But when I switch to English, I tend to be more academic, more serious.
Oke.
Dan if I talk about a serious issue, like for example in this podcast we usually talk about
Yeah,
serious
serious
issue,
issue.
I feel more comfortable in English.
Oke.
Tapi kalau kita hang out makan atau ngopi atau apa tuh, gue lebih nyaman bahasa Indonesia.
Oh, I
yeah.
see.
Gitu. Jadi there's that
Yeah,
interesting switch. Like, do you feel like
I find it the same. Masa I'm more outgoing in both, in English and Indonesian.
Yes, I can confirm.
Tapi ketika gue ngomong bahasa Indonesia, my primal, jadi gini,
you're
prime, gue tuh kayak anjing. Nah,
Okay.
kayak, jadi kalau gue udah primal feeling, gue ke Indonesia.
Oke.
Jadi kalau misalnya I do say sometimes, tapi itu nggak primal. Okay, that sounds wrong, but let me explain. Let me land. Gue tuh bisa kayak you tapi beda sama anjing. Itu beda tuh. There's a
different.
feeling.
Ada
There's
beda
a gitu.
So when you're super angry, you switch to Indo.
I switch to Indonesian. When I'm super like feeling.
Kalau lu gimana?
Tapi dulu itu,
Antara itu.
ya kalau aku tuh dulu karena besarnya di Surabaya, jadi kayak
Itu keluar semua.
kayak ngomong pakai medok, ya maksudnya the accent aja itu udah beda rasanya. Kayak
Ya.
kayak aku ngerasa kalau misalnya ngomong pakai bahasa Jawa dan medok itu lebih keluar feelingnya, bener.
Oke.
Kayak you Indonesian daripada pakai bahasa Indonesia. Atau daripada pakai kayak yang kayak aku ngerasa mungkin banyak orang Surabaya atau mungkin orang Jawa Timur tuh relate gitu.
Oke.
Kalau pakai bahasa Jawa itu kayak kan serba ada hanya kan kayak apa ya ngomong kayak ada hanya di every misalnya apa ya ngomongnya iya kayak sudah kayak sudah gitu kan kayak kalau pakai aksen Jakarta sudah gitu kan.
Iya.
Kalau let's say Jawa itu ada hanya kan sudah gitu. Jadi kayak lebih keluar gitu kayak lebih lega gitu loh.
Lebih lega.
Wait, so technically you speak 4 languages because Japanese.
Yeah,
you can-
Tapi Japanese aku nggak yang sampai
tapi you
ya,
understand Japanese kan? Kalau
yang ngomong juga kalau bahasa sehari-hari bisa gitu.
iya.
Ya udah lebih keluar perasaannya. Mungkin make sense sih.
Okay,
Kayak
but like
ada nahan gitu kalau misalnya.
like Andovi, if you're super angry,
Which language do you
Indonesia.
Yeah,
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
I go to Indonesian.
Kalau what emotion kayak bikin lu kayak lebih nyaman ke Japanese?
Oh, that's a great question.
What emotion?
Lu ya.
Or like what mode? Like,
framework lu apa nih kalau tiba-tiba Japanese?
no, like I said that if we're chilling, I'd switch to Indo.
Indonesian.
Oke.
If we're doing serious stuff, I switch to English.
Oke,
gitu.
ini
Tapi
menarik
lu-
sih karena kalau Jepang itu menurut aku kayak aku kan belajar itu kan ketika after lulus SMA kan. And like I used Japanese like only for 6 years. Nggak yang dari kecil.
Paham.
benar.
Iya,
Jadi-
iya.
Aku ngerasa justru modenya di Jepang itu ketika aku di Jepang.
Oh,
Atau
okay.
ketika ada temenku orang Jepang. Jadi kayak
Okay.
the environment itself gitu. Kayak
Yeah.
iya. Kalau misalnya
I see.
nggak tapi aku ini lumayan trivia dikit sih kayak fun fact kayak kan my girlfriend
Ya.
itu juga dari Jepang kan. Jadi
Is she Indonesian Japanese or Japanese?
Indonesian.
But in Japan.
Same scholarship.
Oh,
Same scholarship
got it.
tapi
Okay.
my junior satu di bawah
Right,
gitu
right,
kan.
right.
Nah, jadi kita suka pakai switch language untuk ngomong sesuatu yang nggak mau didengar sama orang lain.
Oh iya.
Ya,
Iya.
Jadi kayak misalnya di Indonesia nih kan lebih dikit yang bisa bahasa Jepang. Jadi kita
Iya,
suka
iya.
ngomong pakai bahasa Jepang.
Ya.
Kayak ngomongin hal-hal sensitif atau apa pakai bahasa Jepang. Kalau pas di Jepang kita pakai bahasa Indonesia.
Now let's go to the Weebu's comment.
Iya.
Oke.
Oke, Andovi, you
Okay,
choose the
I'm
first
gonna
one.
choose ya. Dari Maria MRGHT.
Ya.
Jerome, seandainya ada rumus matematika yang bisa mengeumpamain kehidupan.
Waduh.
Rumus apa itu? Apa korelasinya sama hidup? This is from Maria.
That is actually very interesting.
If there's
Very
a
interesting.
formula, a mathematical formula that can be analogized to be life of life lessons. What is that formula?
Oddly, I have an answer.
Oh, you have an answer.
Iya, tapi,
Okay.
Jerome
alright.
dulu, Jerome dulu.
Ya, I think life itu menurut aku ya. Oke, let's say kayak graph aja ya. Kita
Yeah.
pakai graph.
Okay.
I think happiness atau kayak life itu menurut aku yang ideally, atau bukan ideal ya, kayak somehow our feelings itu harus ngikutin the graph of sign atau cause. Kayak
Okay.
naik turun,
Naik turun, naik. It's like a wave.
Oh, yang ini.
Iya.
Wave.
Kalau
Oke.
kalau cuma flat doang itu bosen banget.
Right.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
people adapt.
Right.
Oh ya, I have this interesting kayak karena pengalaman aku pribadi ya.
Yeah.
Ya, I think kayak manusia itu adapt kan to good things, to bad things, but also to good things,
Yeah.
Okay.
and it's dangerous menurut aku.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Why? Contoh simpelnya kita beli sepatu baru,
Right.
seneng banget kan perasaannya di awal, harus sepatu mahal apa kita kerja keras for it gitu. Tapi after that mungkin awal-awal kayak gak mau pakai sayang gitu, masih
Right.
masih seneng. Tapi 1 week later udah biasa aja.
Right.
2 weeks later, months later kayak ya sepatu biasa gitu kan.
Yep.
Kayak you need to buy a new things atau
Yeah.
kayak butuh apa lagi gitu kan untuk
Right.
bikin happy gitu.
Right.
Jadi kayak people adapt to good things itu somehow dangerous juga gitu.
Right,
Ya.
right.
Terus aku dulu pengalaman aku pribadi, dulu aku main di Dufan, main halilintar yang
Yeah.
roller coaster itu.
It was the funnest thing in your life.
Itu udah fun banget.
Iya, iya, iya.
Ya kan? And then I went to Japan, I went to Fuji Q, you know Fuji Q.
Yeah, yes, I know.
Kayak itu ada roller coaster yang benar-benar ekstrim gitu.
Okay.
Kayak aku main di sana. Terus aku nggak realize kalau my standard tuh udah naik.
Right.
Benar
Terus aku
ya.
pas itu sempet ke Jakarta main di Dufan lagi sama keluarga gitu. Aku naik halilintar aku kayak
Just doesn't hit the same.
gak ngerasain apa-apa.
Iya, iya,
Even
iya,
kayak gak deg-degan gitu loh.
Wow.
Ya kan itu biologically kan. Terus kayak
Yeah.
dulu aku bisa enjoy loh ini.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Tapi kenapa sekarang aku gak bisa enjoy ini ya?
Yeah, yeah,
Kenapa
yeah,
gitu?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dan akhirnya banyak hal di hidup tuh kayak gitu. Kayak di
yeah.
makanan juga kayak gitu.
Right,
Kayak dulu,
right, right.
dulu aku makan.
Dulu Indomie goreng nasi telur udah enough.
Kalau itu
enough
masih
for
enak.
you.
Kalau itu
Oh,
masih enak. Tapi yang
Dari somehow kayak nggak bisa di-adapt tuh ya.
iya, yang ngena banget itu di beef.
Right,
Kalau di
right,
aku ya.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kayak dulu
Oh ya,
aku
'cause
makan.
Japanese beef, man.
Iya, dulu aku
So
makan all you can
crazy.
eat yang murah-murah.
Yeah.
Itu kayak udah enak banget nih gitu kan. Tapi abis itu aku jadi YouTuber, terus punya uang lebih, aku pengen coba yang mahal-mahal, A5 gitu-gitu. Setelah aku coba, makanan yang ini udah gak bisa enjoy.
Benar, ya,
Iya kan?
ya.
Terus aku kayak ngerasa akhirnya aku menerapkan standar di hidup aku adalah aku nggak boleh, even though I can afford, tapi aku nggak akan jadikan ini sebagai my daily rutin.
right, right.
Because that will like
Or else-
increase your
Or
standard.
else nanti hidupku flat. Ya jadi kalau misalnya ada hal spesial, aku akan beli ini atau aku akan makan ini. Tapi kalau nggak ada hal spesial, aku akan makannya biasa-biasa aja misalnya. Gitu. Kalau enggak, nothing special anymore.
Right.
Jadi kayak harus kayak hidupnya,
Undulating.
ya
Yeah.
gitu.
Dan sin 30 tuh setengah. Right?
Iya.
Yes, I still remember this fact.
That's actually pretty
Cost
impressive.
30, don't tell me. Cost 30 is, don't tell me, no idea.
Setengah akar 3.
Damn it. Okay.
Damn.
Okay, next
Yeah.
question. Next question. Oh,
Okay,
what's your answer?
gua.
No, you have an answer.
Do you have one?
No, I have no
Okay.
mathematical
Gue tuh
formula.
sama kepikiran, do you know the asymptote graph?
Yeah.
You know like how it
yeah.
always keep getting closer and closer but never,
never
touching.
touches.
Never
I
touches.
think that's life, man. Whatever, with learning, with achieving big goals, you will
Oh.
always get closer. But sometimes it's still worth chasing even though you will never achieve it. Tapi kayak you will always get closer and closer and closer and closer.
Oh.
The
And
asymptote graph.
that's still worth it in my opinion.
Tapi jangan jodoh ya kalau kayak gitu ya. Susah nanti. Kalau enggak
Benar, benar.
kalau
Iya,
enggak-
iya.
ketemu,
Nggak
Iya,
ketemu,
terus
tapi
nggak
kayak
ketemu.
so close.
So close tapi nggak bisa-bisa.
Iya benar.
Mending cari yang pasti-pasti aja kalau gitu ya.
Yang akan ada intersection ya.
I like this next question. Very, very creative question.
Okay.
Dari Frahman 1911. Misal dalam sebuah penerbangan 3 jam, Jerome duduk di tengah
Oke.
antara A and B.
Oke.
A itu ilmuwan matematika and B is an Indonesian politician.
Oke.
Who is A and who is B?
Oh.
A.
A. So A is
How
a,
long is this flight?
3 jam katanya.
a flight to Japan. A flight from Jakarta to Japan. A is
Kok question bagus-bagus ya?
Yeah, it's a great from
Bagus-bagus.
Weeboos are amazing.
Oke. Ibus.
Weeboos. A is tadi ilmuwan matematika or just ilmuwan or scientist in
Yeah.
general, and B is an Indonesian politician
Kalau ilmu matematika
or just scientist in general. It doesn't have to be.
Iya.
Itu harus
sebenarnya-
ilmuwan matematika.
Oh matematika ya?
yang menarik sih menurut aku mungkin Ramanujan kali ya. You know?
The
Ramanujan,
Indian guy.
Indian guy.
Was he the guy who found zero? No, different guy.
Different guy.
Oh, okay.
Pokoknya Ramanujan itu kayak dia meninggalnya udah lama dan terlalu muda meninggalnya gitu. Tapi kayak dia tuh
He was a genius that was called by Oxford University.
Iya.
Oh yeah, I've heard about this
Apa ya?
guy. I've heard about this guy.
Pokoknya dia menarik
He
banget
died
lah.
too young.
Dan dia tuh punya banyak menemukan identity gila di matematika. Bukan rumus baru tapi kayak menarik banget lah pokoknya. Jadi aku pengen ngobrol sama dia.
And I remember he came from this village in India.
Really?
Yeah, and then a certain professor knew about it, and he got so much racism back in Oxford. There's this whole
Kalau nggak
story.
salah gitu deh, iya.
Yeah, there's this whole story. I remember Ramanujan. Yeah.
Terus kayak sehari-hari di kamar dia
Dia cuma
flow
nulis
gitu.
doang, ya.
Kalau nggak salah ya, kalau
Iya,
aku nggak salah ingat the movie Life of Pi.
Iya.
Kalau nggak salah tuh
Inspired by him.
Ah, really?
Kalau nggak salah ingat ya.
I
Ramanujan.
Okay, so
love that movie.
Ramanujan is A,
And then
and
the
the
Indonesian-
Indonesian politician.
Siapa?
Indonesian politician. Sebenarnya aku pengen tanya ke siapapun yang masih punya hope sama Indonesia sih. Mungkin Tom Lembong salah satunya mungkin.
Tom Lembong.
Soalnya
Oke.
pas itu aku pernah ngobrol sama Ci Abi, terus Ci
Iya,
Abi
iya.
bilang kayak you should talk atau you should see the podcast
You
kayak
should, yeah.
supaya
No, yep. No.
you still punya hope gitu.
But if Tom sat next to me, I would fall asleep. You know why? His voice is so soothing. You know? He's like, Jadi Andovi. Like,
Yeah, it's true.
when I'm asleep, his voice is so
That's true.
bass. Very good.
Oke, aku pengen ngobrol sama orang yang benar-benar tahu semua permainan politik gitu. Jadi I just want to know what happening gitu.
you
So,
sit
yeah,
next
it's
to
Tom Lembong.
Megawati. Jerome Ramanujan Megawati. Now that is a plane ride. And I want to sit behind you. So
Keep dropping.
So I'm like, oh, what is happening? Because some people know everything, and I'm sure she knows most of it.
It's true.
Iya.
But
Kayak-
then one of our
kayak
dreams
misal-
in this podcast is to actually invite Megawati.
Our
One of my-
dream guest.
Dream guest.
Oh gitu.
Right? Because imagine talking to her. It'd be
Iya,
solid.
kayak gue tuh pengen tahu gitu. Kayak karena kita sebagai outsider, kita kan ngeliat apa yang keluar aja kan.
Yeah.
We never know apa sih yang terjadi, apa sih ada kong-kali-kongnya gitu-gitu.
Yeah.
Ya kan?
And not to mention she has a very interesting lineage.
Yeah.
Iya, kayak aku pengen tahu aja gitu.
Right.
Apakah ada sandera menyandera, ada
Itu udah pasti
apa?
sih,
Gitu, tapi
iya.
aku kayak
Iya,
tahu,
you
itu
wanna
udah
hear it
pasti.
like
Tapi itu kan
in
teori.
the real info A1.
Tapi itu kan teori kan.
Yeah.
Selama ini kita juga nggak tahu gitu. Ini beneran atau cuma
It's
konspirasi atau apa. Tapi kayak aku
Iya,
beneran
iya.
pengen tahu hal-hal kayak gitu.
Tapi why? Why do you want to know that? Won't that make you even more frustrated and hopeless?
Justru aku jadinya tahu what's happening kayak karena aku selalu questioning kok bisa sih kayak gini. Karena tapi kan aku misteri kan. Kok
Iya.
aku kayak maksudnya contohnya nih misalnya yang kayak kemarin ada yang ketahuan nyimpen emas gitu kan. Habis itu
Iya,
tiba-tiba
iya.
jadi damai itu kayak gitu tuh kayak
Iya.
what's happening di
Iya.
belakang itu apa sih?
Tapi-
Kok bisa sampai segitunya? Kayak
Iya.
apa?
Tapi jadi for you, Jer, like even if for example you get to have the answer and the answer is way worse than whatever you thought
Oke.
and you become way more hopeless, tapi you would still choose that as opposed to not knowing the truth.
Iya, aku lebih pengen tahu alasannya apa.
I love it.
Kok bisa kesimpulannya kayak gini? Kok bisa yang ini cuma diam?
Iya.
Kok bisa yang ini kayak gini-gini terus kayak gak ada apa-apa? Kayak aku pengen tahu aja what's happening sebenarnya. And then kayak it gives me clarity gitu.
That
oh
makes
ternyata kayak
sense.
gini.
Because how can you even formulate a solution kalau akar masalahnya aja belum tahu gitu
That's
kan
true.
ya. The real akar masalah.
The real akar masalah
Iya, iya,
gitu kan.
iya.
Bisa kayak bisa kita mau bikin sistem untuk memperbaiki Indonesia gitu kan.
Yeah.
Ya berarti sistemnya harus ya bisa kayak di perusahaan aku deh gitu kan. Oh masalahnya ternyata kayak gini. Jadi aku bisa tahu dong solusinya apa. Kalau masalahnya aku nggak tahu kenapa nih orang marah-marah atau kenapa nih orang even sekarang misalnya kayak ada murid gak lanjut gitu kan. Aku pasti nanya kenapa?
Right.
Apa yang bisa diperbaiki? Jadi aku daripada dia nggak kasih tahu,
Iya.
aku kayak questioning kan. Dan akhirnya mikir-mikir sendiri. Apa kurang gurunya kurang bagus ya? Apa adminnya telat jawab ya? Atau apa? Kalau misalnya dia kasih tahu yang buruk-buruknya sekalipun, ya itu bagus buat aku. Jadi aku tahu gitu what to fix for next.
Right.
Kalau nggak tahu, aku jadi mikir-mikir sendiri. Jadi mikir-mikir sendiri jadi frustasi.
There is a good point. I think this is like a very telling ya. Maksudnya kayak this shows how ignorance may be bliss, but it is detrimental for progress. Gitu.
Yeah.
Kalau lu mau progress, lu nggak bisa ignorant.
Yeah.
Even
Iya,
though
iya,
You gotta know.
even though it cost you your bliss.
Yeah.
Iya. Kayak misalnya setelah gue tahu, oh ini diancam ini misalnya atau apa,
Yeah.
atau kayak dibaliknya ada ini. Oh oke. Jadi tahu gitu.
jadi tahu.
Alasan seseorang itu ngelakuin sesuatu kenapa? Ya kan? Karena let's say ya, maksudnya ini juga mungkin yang banyak orang penasaran juga. Biasanya ada banyak tokoh-tokoh yang dulunya aktivis di 98. Ketika masuk pemerintahan mereka jadi kayak
Kok berubah banget?
kok berubah banget.
Ya. Why?
Nah itu aku pengen tahu kenapa.
Right.
That's fair.
Kayak
That's fair.
why?
Right.
Apa yang terjadi gitu? Kok bisa kayak gitu?
Right.
Dan ketika kita tahu kenapa misalnya let's say, berarti untuk mempersiapkan generasi muda yang berikutnya, kita harus kasih tahu dong.
So you're gonna reverse engineer. So
Reverse
once you know
engineer.
why, you kayak tuh
Bener.
biar nggak terjadi lagi.
Reverse engineering.
Yeah, you're gonna reverse engineer.
Misalnya contohnya ketika aktivis ini masuk ke kursi pemerintahan tapi dia sendirian, dia mau nggak mau harus ngikutin arus, bisa kayak gitu kan.
So what's the solution?
So what's the solution?
Jangan
Berarti
masuk
jangan masuk
sendirian.
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 Kayak gitu-gitu.
Right.
Yeah,
But we need to
yeah.
know the first
Iya.
apa nih? Yeah. No, I
Kan banyak banget kan tokoh-tokoh yang 98 terus masuk
iya.
akhirnya dia jadi di demo sekarang gitu.
Iya.
Why? Apa yang terjadi gitu? Kok bisa nih orang tiba-tiba berubah segitunya?
Bener.
Apa dia diancam kah? Apa dia apa kayak
Yep.
aku pengen tahu aja gitu. Aku pengen ngobrol sama orang-orang itu.
Right. Interesting.
Tapi aku gak tahu will I get the chance atau enggak. Karena mungkin mereka anggap aku threats kan. Mungkin kayak kalau misalnya kasih tau ke aku, habis itu aku viralin, gak tahu juga.
Right.
Mungkin aja kan.
Habis itu di spill.
Mungkin aja.
Right.
Next
Next question.
Ada
Gitu, guys.
menarik-menarik sih sebenarnya.
Yuan's wrote, Hi Kak Jerome, what's one thing you think teenagers or students in Indonesia should change? Example, way of thinking, habits, etc. Based on what you've seen during your time in Japan. And have you thought about continuing your master's degree?
Okay.
If so, where? By the way, missing the Waseda boys so much.
Oh.
Dari Yuan's world.
Oke. Mungkin tadi sih ada dua hal yang aku pingin perbaiki di murid-murid Indonesia kali ya. Sebenarnya let's say menurut aku pribadi the main problem in Indonesia itu bukan pendidikannya jelek sih, tapi gak merata. Karena banyak banget orang-orang yang let's say bisa ke US dan mereka striving di sana. Artinya menunjukkan bahwa banyak kok masyarakat Indonesia yang bagus gitu.
Yeah.
There are good
There are
education
good.
here.
Kalau misalnya gak ada yang sama sekali bisa ke luar negeri atau gak bisa bersaing, artinya memang PR-nya ya gak ada good education. Tapi ternyata good education banyak banget kok di sini kok. Kayak aku bisa pede anak-anak penabur di battlein sama anak-anak Jepang masih bisa menang gitu.
Betul.
Even
Anak penabur gila semua jujur.
iya kan, misalnya even aku lah, let's say ya.
Iya.
Tapi kalau aku jadi kayak ini, tapi gak apa-apa. Misalnya even contohnya aku di Jepang pun aku masih bisa bersaing gitu.
Right.
Ya kan? Aku masih bisa bersaing, aku bisa masuk top 10 di jurusan aku gitu-gitu. Yang artinya bisa kok kalau you have the good education gitu kan. Nah, masalahnya adalah pemerataannya gitu.
Right.
And that's the main problem of Indonesia menurut aku.
Oke.
Gitu. Karena baru nggak kemarin sih. Kayak minggu lalu aku ke Garut,
Right.
ke sebuah desa yang kayak ini masih Jawa loh ya.
Yeah.
Masih
Oh my
Jawa.
gosh, ini yang the one you told me ya?
Iya.
Oh my gosh, ya. You should tell
No. I saw your thread. Mereka nggak tahu. Mereka nggak buka HP dan they don't know anything what's happening.
Iya, yang gitu-gitu. Pokoknya
I saw your thread. Yeah.
Like they don't know.
They don't know what's happening.
No, not even what's happening. Yang they don't know what Jakarta is, right?
Iya.
Oh.
Bener-bener kayak gitu-gitu. Ya
Okay.
kayak ini masih di Jawa dan mereka setidak tahu itu. Jadi kayak
Yeah, that's crazy.
ini masih Jawa loh ya. Belum di kota-kota yang lain gitu, yang lebih jauh lagi. Gitu. Jadi kayak aku ngerasa PR di situ. Jadi harus punya logic dan harus punya kayak attitude yang bagus, tapi merata.
Right.
Nah, tapi kan itu kan for the system ya. Ini kan I feel like this person is asking about individually. Dia
Individual.
bisa ngapain nih?
Dianya.
Iya, dianya
Yeah.
sebagai individu tuh dia bisa ngelakuin, bisa adopt a different mindset atau apa yang different untuk kayak improve diri dia sendiri gitu.
Oke.
Terutama karena dia tanya based on what you've seen during your time in Japan.
Iya.
Mungkin ada sesuatu you see from students in Japan in which you feel like, oh ini bisa diaplikasikan nih ke orang anak-anak Indo.
Yang
gitu.
lebih mereka secara personal bisa lakuin immediately lah gitu.
Belajar sih. Kayak I think the apa ya? Kayak persaingan let's say di Korea, di China. Di China kan ada gaokao kan.
Ya,
Di Jepang
gaokao
juga
exam.
ada namanya Senta Shikeng. Sebenarnya di Indonesia juga ada SBMPTN gitu-gitu. Yang kayak bikin persaingan tuh ketat banget. Yang lu kalau misalnya jadi kayak your future itu jadi ada mindset di Jepang ya. Your future tuh itu kayak bisa ditarik ke belakang. Jadi kalau lu dari SD gak belajar, lu masa depan gagal gitu. Contoh, lu mau dapat kerjaan bagus di Jepang, itu harus dapat universitas yang bagus.
Yeah.
Lu kalau mau dapat universitas yang bagus, SMA lu harus bagus. SMA mau bagus, SMP lu harus bagus. Gitu-gitu kayak
Yeah.
So it
tarik
starts
gitu.
from bahkan
Start
saat
from
dari SD.
Yeah,
Nah itu
yeah,
orang tuanya itu actively apa ya? Involve di edukasi anaknya.
Yeah.
Yang gue lihat ya. Kayak contohnya anak KPR itu harus di-sign sama orang tuanya. Jadi orang tua itu harus tahu anaknya itu ngapain aja gitu. Dan aku lihat di Indonesia juga kurangnya involvement itu mungkin ya kayak dikasih semua ke sekolah
Yeah.
dan sebagainya gitu. Jadi
Oke, tapi berarti from what you say, mungkin untuk individual lebih ke lu harus lebih sadar kali ya. Kayak if you want this future, lu harus bisa tarik gitu kayak oh berarti gue harus begini, ini,
Iya, iya,
therefore
iya.
ini gitu
Iya,
kan.
iya, harus
Jadi
sadar.
harus ada petanya nih yang
Sadar
tepat
kayak
gitu.
benar, sadar bahwa masa depan lu ditentukan sama apa yang lu lakukan hari ini.
Hari
gitu.
ini, iya,
Itu
iya,
penting
iya.
banget.
Iya.
Kayak
And take it seriously.
iya kayak melihat masa depan. Karena banyak orang Indonesia kan let's say ya udah kayak santai-santai hidupnya gitu. Dan mereka ngelihat
Benar.
sebenarnya ini juga salah satu yang mengubah hidup aku adalah guru aku juga. One day dia panggil aku
In
gitu,
Japan or in Indonesia?
in Indonesia.
Oh, okay.
One day dia panggil aku, terus dia bilang kayak, I know you're the smartest guy in this school, tapi lu tuh belum pinter kalau lu belum bandingin sama anak-anak lain di luar sana gitu. Di sekolah itu masih terlalu kecil,
Damn.
ya kan? Kayak
Iya, iya,
you kayak big, fish in small pond,
Iya, iya, iya.
ya kan? Jadi kayak kamu coba kalau kamu emang pengen bilang diri kamu pinter, kamu harus ikut lomba-lomba. Kalau kamu ikut lomba dan bisa menang, baru kamu bisa bilang kamu one of the smartest guy in Indonesia gitu.
Iya, iya, iya.
Kalau belum ya kamu nggak bisa ngomong kayak gitu. And then itu mengubah aku akhirnya ikut lomba-lomba, ikut apa namanya olimpiade, dan aku di situ baru sadar ternyata
Right.
aku ini gak ada apa-apanya dibandingin orang-orang lain.
Right.
Dan seringkali banyak orang Indonesia yang lumayan tertutup gitu.
Iya,
Kayak
iya, iya.
kalau di Jepang kan orang tuanya kasih tahu nih,
Iya.
masuk ini susah, gini. Jadi kayak anak-anak tuh meskipun gak melihat saingannya secara langsung, tapi
Iya.
mereka tahu bakal ada susah nih gitu.
Iya.
Ya kan, tapi kalau misalnya di Indonesia orang tuanya tidak kasih tahu itu, dan kamu cuma hidup di lingkungan yang kayak teman-teman lu gak belajar, ya udah
Iya,
lu gak apa-apa.
Iya, iya.
Itu yang bermasalah gitu.
Tapi I think implicit in what you said ya, harus ada mentalitas growth mindset dulu
Itu
sih,
bener.
right?
Itu
Soalnya
bener.
kalau misalnya lu fix mindset, lu ikut lomba, lu lihat orang-orang pintar, lu malah jadi patah
Down.
semangat.
Iya.
Iya, as
Iya,
opposed to kayak oh gue harus latihan nih,
Iya,
harus
iya,
bisa kayak
iya.
gitu, harus ada itu ya kan. Jadi sebelum itu tuh bahkan harus punya mindset dulu bahwa you can learn and be better.
Benar-benar.
Because a lot of people don't think they can be better, right? Kayak
Iya.
oh ya gue kan emang udah ditakdirkan kayak begini atau
Iya,
misalnya
iya,
gue emang gak pinter kok gitu
Iya.
kan.
Right.
Dan kayak knowing kayak apa ya, mengetahui bahwa di luar sana tuh banyak orang lebih hebat, itu bikin kamu jadi kayak wah ini tuh saingan gua loh gitu. Ini saingan gua, dan gue pingin jadi juara, gue pingin misalnya dapat beasiswa kuliah ke luar negeri dan sebagainya, berarti gue harus ngalahin mereka dong.
Iya.
Jadi ada mindset seperti itu.
Right.
Jadi menurut aku competition itu perlu banget gitu. Kompetisi. Jadi jangan slow-slow banget lah, jangan kayak woles lah, nongkrong aja gitu misalnya. Kayak gitu sih. Jadi growth mindset sama ya harus sadar gitu, kayak apapun yang kita lakukan ini akan efek ke masa
Yep.
depan gitu.
Makes
And
sense.
second part is, do you want to continue your master's
Oh,
degree?
yeah.
And if so, where?
Ya sebenarnya dari
And
dulu
if so, where?
sebenarnya my first plan itu adalah setelah kan, jadi kan aku sampai 2024 itu Januari aku tuh ada world trip with Waseda Boys kan, kayak
Okay.
traveling the world. Setelah itu aku bingung mau ngapain. Akhirnya aku mikir apa aku bikin Mantap Academy ya. And then I thought at the first place itu bikin dulu Mantap Academy sambil aku daftar ke Harvard S2
Yeah.
Education.
Yeah.
Ya.
Karena abis itu oke, bikin Mantap Academy sampai 6 months, and then aku berangkat ke Harvard, terus kayak I can manage from there gitu.
Iya.
Tapi ternyata bikin Mantap Academy itu gak segampang itu. Ya bikin those kind of systems dan sebagainya.
Right.
Akhirnya sampai sekarang belum sih. Tapi pingin aja sih kayak S2,
Okay.
master degree di Harvard.
In education.
Education.
Oh, in education. Good.
Ya, supaya credibility-nya naik.
Nice. Okay. I think this can be the last question ya.
Oke.
Yeah.
And this is very interesting in my opinion. I'm very curious.
Wow.
Yeah. From Soma Ushio. Okay. In math, being wrong usually means your solution is simply incorrect.
Ya.
But in business and everyday life, it seems like people can still move forward even if they're wrong sometimes.
Ya.
How can someone with a strong mathematical background like you come to accept that being wrong is often acceptable?
Oh, that's great. From who?
That's a very good
Soma
question. That's a very
Ushio.
interesting question.
Oke.
Very good question, Soma Ushio.
Ya. From my life experience and perspektif itu, memang aku math banget gitu. Tapi kayak how to say? Aku juga sering baca buku self development, dan aku kayak ngeliat, maksudnya nggak cuma math doang hidup aku gitu, ya kan? Yang akhirnya aku bisa combining things gitu. Kayak let's say dulu pengalaman aku ketika aku ikut olimpiade, tadi mesti nyambung ya. Ketika aku ikut math competitions dan sebagainya, aku gagal gitu kan. Aku kalah gitu, ya kan? Aku kalah. Ketika aku kalah, then I try to mengintrospeksi diri dan menganalisis kenapa sih aku kalah gitu. Oh ternyata ada ada problemsnya dong. Kayak oh aku kurang ini. And then I try to fix that for the next competition gitu kan. Akhirnya aku coba lagi, masih kalah gitu misalnya.
Oke.
Tapi ada reason lainnya gitu.
Right.
Oh aku masih kurang ini. Ya kan? Sampai akhirnya semua weakness aku udah cover. Yang udah gak ada weaknessnya lagi. Aku ikut lomba dan aku menang.
Oke.
Sebenarnya same with math kan sebenarnya. Kayak ketika aku masih salah.
Ya.
Ya artinya simply ya masih salah dong berarti. Tapi kenapa salahnya? Itu yang penting yang kita tahu.
Yep.
Kenapa kamu salah? Gitu. Banyak orang salah, habis itu dia gak belajar dari kesalahannya.
Yeah.
Dia mengulangi lagi kesalahan yang sama. Gitu. In life, in business juga menurut aku kayak gitu. Ketika kamu salah, mungkin ya ketika kamu salah kamu harus tahu dong kenapa salahnya dong.
Ya.
Kalau kamu masih gak menganalisa kesalahan itu, dan you still move on, move forward, one day kamu bisa salah lagi di situ gitu. Iya kan? Jadi menurut aku the mentality-nya adalah salah itu oke gitu kan.
Yep.
So, gagal tuh oke, tapi you have to know why. Why-nya itu penting.
Ya.
Sampai akhirnya you menemukan the exact atau the perfect solution for that problem.
Right.
Iya kan? Nyambung gak sih jawabannya?
Sebenarnya make sense. Artinya fundamentally you disagree with the assumption in this question sih, bahwa
Fundamentally iya.
soalnya dia bilang kan sebenarnya in life and in math tuh sometimes the definition of being wrong itu can be different ya.
Yeah,
Whereas in math kan when you're wrong, definitely that means your formula and your solution is incorrect.
Yeah.
Tapi in life kadang if you're wrong, you can still move forward.
Benar.
Nah, tapi kan what you're saying is sebenarnya sama aja gitu. In
Yeah,
life
yeah,
kalau misalnya lu salah, ya lu akan move backward, tapi abis itu lu fix the solution and then you'll move forward gitu kan.
Yeah,
It's the same
yeah,
with math
yeah,
sebenarnya.
Right.
Karena kalau misalnya kita gagal,
Ya.
kita salah kan, kita ya kalau di mindset aku adalah ketika kita salah atau kita gagal itu pasti ada penyebabnya dong.
Ya.
Penyebab yang bikin kita gagal gitu. Contohnya let's say F&B gitu pas menanti lah.
Yeah.
Ya aku salahnya aku gak ngecek gitu kan. Aku
Yeah.
cuma terima-terima jadi, aku gak ngecek dan sebagainya. So nextnya aku akan memperbaiki itu gitu.
Ya.
Aku bisa
Right.
aja loh gak tahu kesalahannya di mana. I move on masih oke-oke aja aku. Tapi aku
Benar.
akhirnya mungkin akan mengulangi kesalahan yang sama lagi gitu.
Ya.
Gitu.
Ya.
Jadi in life ya bisa aja kamu move on aja tanpa harus memperbaiki itu. Tapi ya resikonya adalah kamu akan salah yang sama lagi.
Menarik. Because I think implicitly juga this person mungkin ngelihat kayak banyak kok orang yang dia salah-salah gitu dia tapi sukses terus gitu.
Iya,
Mungkin
iya,
itu
iya.
kali ya yang what they're
Iya,
getting
iya,
at gitu ya.
Ya kalau misalnya let's say aku sebagai YouTuber akan beda banget 10 tahun lalu sama sekarang gitu. 10 tahun lalu aku desainnya kayak gimana, bikin video kayak gimana, tapi while I'm doing it, aku masih salah, tapi aku masih terus perbaiki terus gitu.
Iya.
Ya.
And
mungkin-
Indian jadi yang kayak your graph itu kan dia gini.
Iya.
Tapi terus naik gitu trajektorinya.
Tapi terus naik gitu.
Iya,
Oh
tapi
salah.
ada jatuh-jatuh ya.
Even up until this day, aku masih terus ngeliatin analytics gitu. Kayak, oh kalau tampil kayak gini, benar nih. Kalau misalnya videoku durasinya segini, oke. Kalau formatnya kayak gini, oke.
Iya.
Kalau gini, jadi kayak sambil salah sambil terus belajar tapi.
Benar.
Kalau salah terus, tapi kamu nggak pernah memperbaiki, nggak pernah belajar ya, menurut aku stagnan sih gitu.
Ya.
Kayak kamu akan terus coba tanpa memperbaiki
Right.
something, nggak akan move forward gitu.
Ya.
Bisa move forward,
Bisa.
ya, tapi nggak naik gitu menurut aku.
Ya.
Menurut aku, tapi menarik sih dia.
Menarik ya.
Jadi
Menarik
Soma
banget.
Ushio
Ya.
semangat.
Iya.
By the way, I haven't talked to Abigail about this. I just want to quickly. I kan the reason why I wasn't here last time because I was shooting a movie. Filmnya selesai. And of course,
Right, congrats.
thank you. Filmnya is called Bapak Paling Jujur.
Oke.
The premise is simple. Gue calon gubernur Jakarta. Gue mau menjadi gubernur, tapi gue nggak bisa bohong.
Oke.
Right. It's gonna come out in cinemas middle of October. I don't know. I know the date, tapi my producer told me not to say the date. Because the premise of my movie is gua nggak boleh bohong. That's
Interesting.
literally the premise.
Yeah.
Oke.
Okay. I want you to both of you, but I want to do this to every guest later on.
Oke.
If you could honestly say something about anything you want, like a hot take or an honest take.
Oke.
Give me an honest take about anything. Okay? Because this is one of my promos that I want to do for the movie where you can only be honest. You can only be honest.
I thought you were gonna challenge Jerome to ask you anything and you cannot lie.
That's a better idea. Okay, so that's a way better idea. ask me something.
Langsung diganti ya.
Ganti, apa? Kan gue adaptif.
Langsung ganti konsep.
So my
Oke.
character is called Jonas. Gue Bapak Jonas Prakoso.
Oh, oke.
Saya gubernur Jakarta yang tidak bisa bohong. In lead. So you ask me anything and I have to answer honestly. Dah, as a guest, I give you the opportunity to ask me anything and I have to be honest.
Jadi ini kayak main truth or dare.
Oh.
If you're still thinking about it, let Abigail.
Gue juga bisa nanya.
Ask me anything, I have to be honest about it. So every episode I go to What is Up Indonesia, the promo is, ya selain nonton di bioskop, I want people to ask me a question and I have to just be honest. Ya nggak ada, terima kasih banyak. Dan
Bikin.
jangan lupa nonton di
ya?
bioskop. Mereka masih kayak,
Oke,
gotcha. Oke, silakan.
oke.
Silakan, oke, Abigail first.
Oke.
Oke, go.
Honestly,
Honestly, yes, Messi is better than Ronaldo. Bukan, that's not a question. Okay.
how smart do you think is Kajo?
Okay, here's the honest answer.
Honest.
I think Kajo, when it comes to math, science, he's way smarter than me.
Okay.
But in other things,
Like?
like just simple logical stuff.
Nggak bisa dong.
Nggak
Tadi
bisa dong.
math udah dia lebih smart.
Kajo is very smart in math,
Math is
and
logic,
STEM,
yeah.
but in some things he's the dumbest person I know. In,
Like
in
what?
many things, when it comes to love and relationships. Okay, brr. Oh, brr.
Okay.
Honest time.
I'm
Kajo,
sorry.
don't kill me. But,
Sorry, Kajo.
But
I cannot. That's the only thing I can think of when it comes to
Yeah.
Andovi.
But-
Yang nggak endanger his life.
yeah, but I love your current pasangan sekarang. Hidup kagak lu. Ya, jadi that doesn't mean I did not
Wow.
like the
Wait,
previous
benar,
one.
benar. Itu
Wah,
kan
jika
jujur,
jika
jujur.
makanya B.
Nah, benar.
Nah, I like all of his relationships.
Ini honest.
all of his relationships, but I like this one. Okay, much better. Honest.
Okay.
Atau kalau lu nggak mau nanya, I can ask you something and you have to be honest. It's the two ways. I can ask you something and you have to be
Okay.
honest. How about that? Let me
Boleh.
reverse it.
Okay.
Boleh. Aku gak ada pertanyaan sih.
Okay. I have to be honest with you. Knowing what you know now about life,
Oke.
you have a younger brother
Yeah.
that goes to school in China.
Yeah.
Right? What does he take? Sorry.
Electrical engineering. Yep.
Be honest. I like this. Right? Be honest. Okay. Do you think, from your life experience now,
Yeah.
do you think your younger brother should be in electrical engineering
Oh.
or he should pursue something else in life?
Oke.
Bro, be honest, because now you know life
Okay,
now.
yeah,
You're
yeah,
much
yeah.
more wise.
Yeah.
Do you think, especially with AI and everything,
Yeah.
is electrical engineering for your younger brother?
Yeah.
What's his younger brother's name? Sorry,
Jesse.
Jesse. Do you think is the right choice? Be
Okay,
honest.
okay,
Or do you
okay.
think it's a better choice?
Justru the fun fact is aku yang suruh dia.
No.
Electrical engineering.
Too easy. It's too
really, tapi
easy.
Maksudnya
Iya.
dia sempat galau kan mau ambil apa. Terus dia
Oke.
awalnya mau ngambil komputer. Kayak programmer apa
And you were
namanya.
like, no, AI is gonna take care of that.
Enggak,
shit.
jadi dia kan ada beberapa pilihan gitu
Yeah.
kan. Nah, terus dia keterimanya di electrical engineering yang di kampus yang ini gitu.
Oke.
Terus dia condong ke sana kan. Yang lainnya dia pengen jadi software engineer gitu-gitu kan.
Oke.
Justru karena aku tahu
Oh.
zaman sekarang kayak misalnya vibe coding, orang bisa coding
AI.
dan sebagainya pakai AI semua
Iya,
kan.
Iya.
Dan AI kan butuh the hardware itself gitu.
Oh, so the electric
The
engineering.
electrical engineering itu jadi kayak the
I
future
see.
gitu. Sedangkan di China
Okay.
kayak ada BYD, terus kayak ada mobil listrik dan DJI, ya kan
Okay.
jadi kayak itu kan justru electrical engineering dibutuhkan banget gitu. Tapi you know kayak sekarang apa namanya warga negara asing itu nggak bisa kerja di China, susah banget.
Kenapa tuh?
Kayak nggak bisa, kayak mereka acceptnya Chinese doang.
Oh, oke,
yeah,
I
yeah.
see.
But they can come to us. That's another topic.
Bener,
That's
nggak
another
jadi katanya mereka
Iya.
itu invest banyak di warga negara asing untuk kasih beasiswa gitu.
Iya.
Supaya mereka bisa pulang ke negara mereka. Terus
And
ketika
bang-
China mau
Iya.
expand ke negara mereka, dia ada mereka.
Very smart.
Very
I mean,
smart.
Very smart, bro.
Very
We
smart.
should
Iya.
have a whole episode talking about China because it's insane.
Iya.
That's true.
Karena kalau Jepang dia kasih beasiswa, pinginnya orangnya kerja di
Kerja
Jepang.
sana. Karena mereka kekurangan
Mereka
orang.
kurang orang.
Yeah.
ya
China
kan?
is too many.
Kalau China udah ke too many,
Too many.
lu ke negara lu,
Iya.
gue nanti mau expand, gue hubungin lu.
Iya.
Keren banget.
Very good, very
Very,
good.
very smart.
Cool. That is very cool. Okay. Maybe another question is for both of you.
I have to be honest ya.
I have to be
Have to be
honest.
Honest.
Benar-benar. Tapi ini lebih beda sih. Kalau misalnya beneran nih kandidat-kandidat politik nggak bisa bohong kayak Andovi in his movie, what question would you ask them? Satu, you can only ask one question.
I know exact because I was asked this question in the movie.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh gitu.
Yeah, 'cause
Okay.
I know exactly.
Mereka nggak bisa bohong nih.
Mereka nggak bisa bohong.
For once.
If I had to ask a political candidate, any political candidate running for any office,
Yeah.
one thing and one thing only. Mr. or Mrs. Out of all your funding, dapatnya dari mana dan berapa? That's the number one question. Karena with that, you can tell so many things about a person. Every campaign pasti ada funding, which is fine. Which is
Yeah.
you need money to do anything
Yeah.
in life. Just answer me this question. Dari mana dan berapa? I think that's the key. If the candidate says, okay, 60% gue dapat dari batu bara, 40% gue dapat dari partai politik, you langsung ketahuan semuanya. Langsung ketahuan polisi lu 60% bakal mendukung batu bara. Karena it's just simple logic.
Iya.
Simple logic. Kayak just answer me, lu dapat duit dari mana dan berapa.
Oke.
That's my one question I would ask any candidate. And I was asked that in the movie. And karena gue gak bohong, gue kayak, because I was cursed. So I wanted to lie,
Iya.
but I couldn't lie in the movie.
Oh, seru banget.
But
Yeah,
can
yeah.
can technically the political candidate kayak weasel themselves out of
Bisa.
that question?
Tapi kan in this
Bisa
case
ya?
I have to be honest. In this
Right.
case in this
No,
movie
yeah,
the premise
yeah.
I have to be honest. Kayak
Iya
lu
sih,
benar-benar harus
bener sih.
kayak
Bener sih.
gua mau jawab dan gua dapat duit 30% dari ini, 2% dari donor ini. Nih.
Low
But
budget.
like what happened with Zoran? Zoran was so transparent. Most of my money came from these people. The Democratic Party gave me this. 70% gave me from the people of New York. Like it's just so refreshing to know. Like even if Zoran said, okay, 5% came from big oil, big pharmacy. It's so refreshing just to see. Oh lu dapat duit lu dari sini bro. Terima kasih bro, thank you. Biar tahu aja gitu.
Iya.
I would ask that question to any
Lu apa,
political
Der?
candidate.
Pikiran nggak?
Mungkin gua ya.
Ini terakhir.
Mungkin gua ini. Kalau misalnya lu jadi pemimpin, siapa yang orang-orang, siapa pihak mana? Bentar, gimana ya?
Siapa pihak yang lu benci?
Kalau lu jadi pemimpin, pihak mana yang bakal mendapatkan untung dari lu sebagai pemimpin?
Who is gonna be the most profitable ya?
Iya.
Whether it's monetary, whether it's
Iya, iya.
political, whether it's
Iya,
whatever.
iya,
iya.
Oke,
Iya,
tenang.
Iya. Karena itu penting banget. Karena itu penting banget.
Jujur jawab.
Iya.
Kayak menurut yang paling
Make
menguntungkan
sense.
adalah
Kalau misalnya dia dari awal udah mikir, oke,
Iya.
kalau misalnya gue jadi pemimpin, gue langsung bakal nih keluarga gue taruh semua
Iya.
di
Iya,
sini,
iya.
Jadi komisaris,
bisnis
jadi-
gue
iya,
kayak
iya.
gini-gini, udah langsung ketahuan. Ketahuan motifnya adalah keluarganya atau kayak
iya.
dia mau bikin kingdom buat keluarga sendiri. Dan itu it's happening in Indonesia gitu
Very
kan.
much happening.
Kayak
Iya,
tiba-tiba ini jadi siapa? Jadi kayak dia
Iya,
pengen
iya.
menguntungkan keluarganya dan timnya doang gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya dia jawabnya pihak-pihaknya itu kayak yang let's say yang bahkan di luar yang dari pendukungnya dia,
Iya, iya.
it's gonna be great thing. Atau enggak guru Indonesia. Wih,
Wih.
banget tuh. Rakyat Indonesia. Wah, mantap.
Alright, thank you
Alright,
Jerome.
thank you.
Time's up. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jerome. See you
Thank
guys next
you.
time.
See you
See you next time. Bye.